Hello! Welcome to the Learn American English channel, where you learn naturally so you can speak naturally. In this video, we are going to listen to conversations about room tours. This video is divided into two parts, where the characters will talk about the things inside their room. So, listen carefully and see if you get all of the questions correctly. Also, be sure to stay with us until the end of the video. We'll point out important words from the conversations, everyday slang, and the most common way to say things in English. Watch for these words and phrases in the subtitles. You'll find their meanings in the vocabulary section in the last part of the video. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, let's listen to a conversation between Elle and Zoey as Zoey takes Elle on a room tour. Let's see how their conversation goes, and don't forget to note the highlighted words for their meanings at the end of this video.
Oh my gosh, Zoey, your room is actually so cute.
Stop, you're making me blush already. It's kinda messy right now, though.
Girl, this is not messy. My room looks like a tornado and a shopping mall teamed up against me.
Okay, fair. Mine only looks clean because I panic cleaned like 20 minutes before you got here. Just ignore the pile of hoodies on the chair. That chair hasn't been used for sitting in for a year.
Why is that so true, though? Every chair becomes the clothes chair eventually.
Literally. Anyway, this is my bed.
Wait, your bedding is adorable. The little fairy lights, too? It makes your space look so cozy.
Thanks. I got the lights because I thought they'd magically make me more productive at night.
Did it work?
Absolutely not. They just make my procrastination look aesthetic.
Honestly, that's still a win.
And these pillows right here? Half of them are decorative. I throw them on the floor every night like it's part of my bedtime routine.
Same. Why do we all buy pillows just to aggressively remove them before sleeping?
It's the law of girl bedrooms, I guess.
Wait a minute. Is that a weighted blanket?
Yeah.
Girl, I have the same one.
No way.
Mine's sage green, though.
Stop, that's actually hilarious.
Great minds think alike.
Or we've both been influenced by social media a little too much.
I'd say both.
Haha. So, over here's my vanity and mirror setup.
Hold on, that mirror looks so familiar.
The round LED one?
Zoey, don't tell me.
What?
I literally have the same mirror.
You're kidding.
I'm serious. Same size and everything.
Okay, that's actually insane.
I swear every teenage girl owns either this mirror or wants this mirror.
That's true. The lighting makes me feel like a beauty influencer even when I look half asleep.
Here are some listening comprehension questions to see how well you understood the conversation between Elle and Zoey. What does Zoey use the chair in her room for? It became the clothes chair where she puts hoodies. Why did Zoey buy fairy lights for her room? She thought they would make her more productive at night. What kind of blanket do Elle and Zoey both have? They both have the same weighted blanket. So, did you get all the questions correctly? Let us know in the comment section. Now, let's listen to another conversation between Elle and Zoey as they talk more about the things in Zoey's room. Let's begin.
Don't look too closely at my makeup drawer.
Why?
It's pure chaos in there. Lip glosses fighting for survival, old mascara tubes, and random earrings. It's a jungle.
Honestly, makeup drawers are like black holes. Things go in and never come back out.
Tell me about it. I lost my favorite lip gloss in there for 3 months.
Did you ever find it?
Yep. It was under a hairbrush and somehow covered in glitter.
That sounds about right.
And over here's my closet.
Ooh, let me see the fits.
Don't judge me. Half of it is hoodies and oversized shirts.
As it should be. Honestly, though, your closet's super organized.
Only the outside. If you open the bottom drawer too fast, it's game over.
So, it's one of those drawers.
Yep. The random stuff drawer.
Every girl has one. Mine has chargers, receipts, bracelets, old movie tickets, and somehow 2 pens that don't work.
Why are broken pens immortal?
They survive everything except actually writing.
Facts.
Oh my gosh, your desk setup is adorable too.
Thank you, I tried to make it look motivating.
Does it motivate you?
Sometimes. Other times, I just sit there staring at my laptop while my brain takes a vacation.
The classic. I opened my homework, so technically I tried strategy.
Exactly.
Wait, are those little photo prints on the wall from your beach trip?
Yeah. I printed them because my camera roll was becoming a graveyard of forgotten memories.
That one of you and Mia is so cute.
Thanks. That trip was chaos, though. We got sunburned so badly.
Beauty is pain.
Apparently.
Zoey, your whole room feels so cozy, like the kind of room where you accidentally spend 5 hours talking.
That's exactly the vibe I wanted.
Mission accomplished.
I spend most of my time here anyway, watching shows, doing homework, listening to music, and overthinking my entire life at 2 in the morning.
Ah yes, the nightly overthinking session, a timeless tradition.
Truly.
But seriously, your room feels super you.
Thanks. I feel like rooms kind of become little snapshots of people.
That's actually true. Like your room tells me you're organized, but also slightly chaotic.
Wow. You just read me like a book.
Now I want to redecorate my room again.
Be careful. That's a slippery slope. First it's, I'll just buy one candle. Then suddenly you're repainting furniture at midnight. But hey, if you redecorate, we already know we'll somehow end up buying the same stuff anyway.
At this point, we basically share one brain cell.
Before we review the key vocabulary from these conversations, here are some listening comprehension questions to see how well you understood the conversation between Elle and Zoey. Why did Zoey say not to look too closely at her makeup drawer? Because it was messy and full of random things. What kind of clothes does Zoey mostly have in her closet? Hoodies and oversized shirts. What does Elle keep in her random stuff drawer? Chargers, receipts, bracelets, old movie tickets, and broken pens. How many questions did you answer correctly? Let us know in the comments section. Now let's review the vocabulary from these conversations. First, we'll review some of the natural-sounding everyday phrases used by native English speakers. Watch the video again after you study the vocabulary words to learn them even better, and subscribe to see our other videos. The law of girl bedrooms. A joking rule about how girls' bedrooms usually are. Beauty is pain. Looking good sometimes requires discomfort or effort. Mission accomplished. A joking way to say the task was completed. A timeless tradition. A custom that never goes out of style. You just read me like a book. You understood me very easily. Now, let's review the key vocabulary used in the conversations. Cozy, comfortable and warm. Productive, able to get work done effectively. Decorative, used to make something look nicer. Weighted blanket, a heavy blanket designed to feel calming and comforting. Desk setup, the arrangement of items on a desk or workspace. Were the conversations relatable? Try using these conversations with your family and friends. Thank you for watching the Learn American English channel where you learn naturally so you can speak naturally. Please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this one.